And we'll start with driver's side, compartment 1.
We got pump panel, our hydrant wrenches, rubber mallet, spanners, hydrant wrench. Up top we got an assortment of shovels, brooms, pike poles, drywall rake.
Okay.
This one we have our foam, med kit, pediatric kit, road flares and triangles, blanket, our collars, and this thing is the pediatric immobilization system.
Every backup truck should have one.
Exactly. We got one SCBA, we got our high-rise kit with the tools attached.
Okay. Hey, Alex.
This compartment we have tarps, utility rope, chainsaw case, fan, some ladder belts, another big tarp, some pipe, 2 pipe wrenches, set of irons, and a pick head axe. This one we got an electric fan, got some absorbent pads, got our tow hitch, and we have our hydrant bag located there. This compartment, large bolt cutters, 2 pry bars, 2 rolls of 5-inch hose. We got tow chain in here. And this is our toolkit. Back here we got a hose roller, assortment of nozzles. We have a Storts connection, some gated Ys, hose jacket, Fargo Storts connection, generator.
Kind of hidden around the corner. I see a light. See light.
We got an old school light in the corner.
Cord reel.
Cord reel.
Another chunk of extension cord up on the top. Yeah, Alex. Why don't you come over here for a minute? Do you want to close this door for us? Here, close those doors. Thanks.
In here we got 2 pressurized water extinguishers, 1 foam, 1 water. In the back we have a large dry cam and also a small dry cam. And a step ladder.
Daddy, can you come here for a second? Daddy, can you come here for a second?
2 spare SCB8 bottles.
I will in just a minute, buddy. We're almost done. We just got to finish taping this, and then I'll help you out.
We got a small amount of cribbing, just another set of irons, pick head axe, sledgehammer, another Halligan. Recycle pump panel, assortment of tools up top. Back of the cab, we still have our backboard, hand lights. We have a pile of hydrant wrenches,
Watch your fingers.
rubber
Good
mallet
job.
in there. Seats are still outfitted with SCBA tanks, with pre-planned books, medical gloves. That about covers the back of this.
Under the officer's seat.
Some tape. Radar gun.
Nice.
SCBA.
Let's see, under the officer's seat here.
Some stickers and tattoos. Got 1 extrication glove. And some rags.
Alright. Let's look up top. Up top.
Top. Apparently have a shop vac. And our ground monitor. 6-foot step ladder. Extension ladder. Attic ladder. Roof ladder. 10-foot pike pole. 6-foot pike pole.
Anything else?
That's it, man.